Welcome to Acorn Stairlifts in West Yorkshire, world leaders in the manufacture and installation of innovative stairlifts. Established in 1992, we're an international private company with a proven track record for excellence as creators of the pioneering Acorn Superglide and Acorn 80 stairlifts, the last word in home mobility technology. We understand the difficulties that reduced mobility can bring, so we offer safe, comfortable and simple solutions. Our highly specialised team is here for expert advice regarding a comprehensive range of stairlifts for all kinds of straight and curved staircases, according to your personal requirements, including multi-user stairlifts, outdoor stairlifts and perch stairlifts for those with knee problems. All Acorn stairlifts are easy to use and maintain, and all display the very best in design, engineering and safety features. One of our surveyors can call at any time and arrange a next day installation if required. And we also provide outstanding aftercare service with a team of professionally trained engineers on hand for your priority call-out 365 days a year. Acorn Stairlifts can help you and your family once again have full use of the home you love. Thanks for watching.